He made the metal on this one. He's making boots when he's slow, so, but this job just needed a transition for the drop. Plenum, new canvas, full job here. We got furnace, never had air, so we're adding a line set. Electrician's coming next week to wire it up, and then we'll get back and check it out. Here's our job. We got, looks like they had an old oil furnace in here. I'm not sure how old this house is, but we're going to spin the furnace 180, increasing that boot from a 16 by 20 to a 20 by 25. New drop all the way down. Getting rid of that chimney. We're just put a patch on those holes in that chimney over there because we got 96%. We're going to vent out through the back along with our line set right there. The back of the house goes up through the garage right there. You can see the stairs. What do we got here, Corey?
With that light?
There's no thermostat wires hooked
No,
up there?
No, it's just these on W and R.
Oh, W and R.
Yeah.
Okay. So that 2-wire in the furnace is tied onto this 3-wire right here. Which is this guy right here. So we're going to have to try and pull a new, might as well just do an 8-wire. We got some 5 and 8 out there. Hopefully that hole is straight up to the thermostat and we can just pull a new wire up. Beautiful view back here. Got the river out there across Concord. Beautiful oak trees here. Really nice. Get back on my video kick. He said he used to have koi here, and then the birds were coming up from the river and eating his fish. Right here, right there, and we'll just come across the front and drop down the left side with some new gas. I'm gonna go outside here. Got the AC pad set. I had him pull up these patio bricks last week. Ground's pretty workable, but I didn't have to really touch anything. The pad's sitting level. Keep it 6 inches off of there, a couple feet off of there. Drill my line set. Hole probably, you know, right there. And then we'll come down here. Hopefully somewhere between that gas pipe and that water spigot with our venting, just so it's not blowing right on the AC here. Hopefully that'll work out. Otherwise we'll have to put it between the water spigot and the AC. So I'm going to start drilling these holes for the line set and the venting. Okay, we got the AC set here. We're in the middle of this pandemic here. State of Minnesota shutting down 11:59 tonight. Nobody's supposed to go out until for a couple weeks or something. Disaster. Corona COVID-19 or something. Coronavirus nightmare. What are we, May 27th today?
Yep.
Corey's cutting a hole. We got a 20-inch boot going on a 16-inch blower compartment. Everything's cleaned up here. Got to throw my patch on the holes on the chimney there. What did I do with that? Here it is right here. I'm going to get that and caulk that on over there and tape it until the caulk dries. I used to cement those in, but sheet metal does a nice job. Silicone never usually holds like glue once it's dried. Alright, we got the new wire pulled down. Just barely big enough to get that big wad of tape through there, so always trying to make that as small as possible without making it compromised. You want to make a good wrap around your two wires and then tape it up really good, or they fall apart in the wall and then you got to start over with a fish tape, so be careful with that. We got our transition here, boots mounted, coils mounted. Plenum looks like it's the right height. Everything's going good together well. And I still haven't drilled my holes out here, but I'm going to get on that right now. Looks like the sheet metal worked out. Our furnace is pitched a little bit to the front. And, wow, the drop even looks level. Right there. A little high in the back like we want it. We want to see that pitch to the front, so we're going to hold water in the back of the secondary and rot it out prematurely. Make sure you read your install manual. It looks like our caulk needs to be doctored up on that corner there. Yeah, looking good. I'm going to move this light over, probably over there, so I can come through here with my venting. And lost my drill bit behind there, so I don't know how I'm going to get that out. Fell off out of my extension when I popped that hole. Okay, we're working on the gas. That's going to come up. Wiring's done, obviously. We had to put a switch GFI for our powered humidifier. That's going on the drop over here. And we got our water teed in here for the humidifier with a shut off. Gas is coming off here. It's going to shoot straight back with that guy. Over here we got all our holes drilled for the line set, and the venting is right there. We just gotta shoot down and drill a couple more holes here. So she's all gas piped. Corey's just gonna start soldering the AC up there. Checking the gas pressure here, 3.5 inches of water column. There's my venting, all done. Got a drain in the bottom of the intake, just because we know those take water in the summertime. We got to get her down to, well, yeah, we might as well do that. Humidifier, let's make sure that works. Yeah. Okay. So once we're done with the temp rise and gas pressure, we'll check our static before we go back into low. It's looking real good. AC, the electrician's coming on Monday. That's my venting, line set. I just got to go outside and hack that off. We're in high fire here. We got 0.37 static. Total static there. That's beautiful. And all we got to do is go set gas pressure and low fire, and I'm almost buttoned up outside. Our patch over here looks fabulous on the chimney. And those two holes we had a patch. Corey's metal looks fabulous. Everything is nice and straight and level. What do we got going there? 77. What's the date today? The date's off on this thing. Temp rise 50 degrees and high. No way to turn the fan speed down on this furnace. It's already dialed down at 10% in high fire by that one dip switch. Alright, we're all set out here. Got the vents for the furnace, line set. Really like that new covering on that. The new Mueller line sets, UV protectant, beautiful. So, Walt's coming over here from Spark Monday morning, and as soon as it warms up, we'll get out here and check it out.